You guys aren't going to believe this. We got a kit crawler on the TheRcSaylors.
That we actually plan to build from start to finish and not just start it.
Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. We're the TheRcSaylors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we're going to take a look at just a very quick unboxing, the Gmade BOM crawler.
Yes.
This is a kit on the TheRcSaylors. This is crazy.
We've attempted a kit before and just got too busy with it. And now it's in a better home.
It's in a better home, that's right. Someone that will take care of that and put it together. And we may someday see that back on the channel, actually, if everything just, you never know. It might make it back to the channel.
But we have plans to hold us accountable to build this thing. And I'm super excited. This could take weeks, months, years.
But it'll get built.
It'll get built. I swear it's gonna get built.
So what we're going to do, we're going to show you guys in this video the unboxing of this, but we want you to watch us and help us live with the build. So we don't go live very often. We've done it in the past and we have things we love about it, things we don't love about it, so we're going to try something a little different.
This time we're going to go over on our vlog channel that's just called TheRcSaylors. We'll have it linked in the description box below. For right now, this coming Saturday around 9:30 or 10, depending on when Amelia decides to cooperate, we're going to go live over on our vlog channel. Not here on this channel, the vlog channel. That is super behind. Right now I think I'm releasing videos that we filmed back in January over there. But at least we'll be live.
And
so it'll be recent.
The 28th, Saturday, September 28th of 2019. That'll be the first time going live with this. And you guys will be there with us. We'll ask you tips and things along the way. You can hook us up with tips. And we're just going to sit down for probably like 2 hours, I'd say, the first time. It's going to be a very chill. You know, we'll have our laptop up. You can ask us general questions if you want to.
One of us will be building.
I'd like that, yeah.
And I'll be reading comments.
I'll do my best to stay focused. Depending on how much progress we make, we may actually build a little bit off camera. But I hope for you guys to be there along with us for pretty much the entire thing. Now, we went to Lexington to pick up Abby's phone. We had to go to an iPhone store, and there's a point I'm making here is while we were in Lexington, we had to stop and check out the hobby store. I can't go to a new city without checking out the hobby store, obviously. We walked in and some of the people in there knew us, the employees knew us, some of the guests knew us, and a big shout out to our buddy, a friend we made while we were there, Michael. Michael helped us pick out, we got to look at a ton of things, we pulled some stuff off the shelf, and we had a really good time taking a look at some things that were not in our hobby shop, and this was one of them. Abby and I both fell in love with this, although it was a tiny bit overpriced and they did mark it up some. You don't open boxes like that, you know better. You know so much better.
That didn't happen!
Abby and I both fell in love with this and we thought, this is the next truck we have to have. And so Michael then helped us pick out our electronics. So we'll show you guys all that stuff as we put it in here. So there we go. We're going to have some fun. Abby's got the other camera. We can get some closer shots for you guys. And we just wanted to show you everything that comes in here. There's a lot of parts and it should be fun.
A lot of parts.
It should be fun though. I've really been enjoying putting my planes together. And so that process for me, I think this year having Amelia, building things for me this year has become more enjoyable. I don't know why. Maybe I've slowed down a little bit. And I
You're like, oh, I have a child that can eat all these small parts? Let's do it.
No, I think it's while I'm building, Abby's nice enough to watch the kiddo, and I get some nice quiet time to build, so I enjoy that. Check that out. There's a lot of aluminum links in here, which was one of the reasons we liked it. We really like the shape of the truck, how it's like a half pickup truck. You know, the back of the truck is a cage more than anything, and we really liked how it looked. So this is a clear body pickup, as you can see. So I like that it's a small, like half size. That'll be kind of a good first paint job for me.
Yeah, I think that's what sold us on it, is we don't have a lot of RCs that are half truck.
Yeah, nothing really. The SCX-10.
My Vatera Ascender is.
Yeah.
And the Ascender Element RC, that new one, you can take the back off of that truck too.
Oh man, so right now in the background people can actually see probably some of the stuff that I'm working on. I've got a jet that I'm putting together.
Yep.
And our Bixler down there.
Baby
I need
toys.
to clean some things up. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, look at the chrome on there. So that looks good. At least we don't have to paint that. It comes with everything except for the electronics. Box is heavy apparently. There we go.
Ooh.
I'm
look at
wondering.
that.
Looks like a lot of the frame.
Big part.
Here's all. Oh, they're labeled very nicely. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, I'm so happy. I do not like when the small hardware is not labeled. That's everything in the box. We're now empty, and we're left with just a ton of plastic bags and parts. Let's take a look at the electronics, because I think that'll be fun for people to see what we chose. Now, this is the first time I've ever bought a motor like this. This is a 540 size crawler brush, 35T. Now, we had some options while we were there. Michael recommended the 35T, which is pretty common for a crawler. And look at that, 14 bucks. Now, this was one of our most expensive electronic parts. This was our ESC. It'll allow 2 to 3S LiPo. Coming in at 46 bucks, that is kind of pricey. Maybe marked up a little bit at the hobby shop, but it's always good to support your hobby shop sometimes at least. Maybe not all your purchases. But this is waterproof too. And so I think this was their most affordable option in the store that was waterproof. And that was really important for us with the crawler. So we wanted a good steering servo. Also kind of expensive, but needed waterproof. They had some that were not waterproof and a little cheaper, but we wanted metal gearing and waterproof. So that's going to be a nice heavy duty servo. So a lot of the electronic recommendations were from Michael, and we thank you. It was really cool to walk into a hobby shop and have someone knowledgeable enough to say, this will work, and this will work. Sometimes you don't get that when you're online, you know, with videos and stuff. We do our best when we're doing our, like, what transmitter would work with this plane, what battery would work, but it's nice to see this.
I think the only thing that I'm concerned about is our artistic ability to make the clear body look good.
Yeah.
Little concerned about that. We've never actually
painted them the right way.
Exactly.
Yeah, we've painted them the wrong way. So we're gonna have to get the clear protective stuff, the film that you can actually peel off.
Yeah, so we're relying on you guys a ton to get this build to look good.
Yeah. Yep. It's something that we both wanted to do for a while. We both have things that we're good at in the hobby. I think I'm pretty decent at flying planes. I pride myself at being a good pilot at flying planes, and I sure do love my crawlers ready to run and stuff. But I want to know what it feels like to build something from the ground up as a kit. And I want to take the time to do that with you guys. Yeah. So we're kind of looking at this as like a winter project, and we're getting started early.
Yes, so what you need to do right now, if you're not already, go over to our blog channel and hit subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so the second we start our live video on Saturday night, you will see that. Again, that's Saturday, September 28th, around 9:30 or 10 o'clock. And if you want Eastern, and if you want more up to date, like exactly what time we're gonna go live, go follow us on Instagram, and I'll post a video on our stories if it's gonna be later than 9:30.
Yeah, and remember, we're building a kit. We're not setting off fireworks and having explosions with airplanes and smoke bombs.
We're just gonna be hanging out.
Right, just chilling on the couch, probably here.
Probably.
And very relaxed, laid back. It'd be a good time for you to get something to build together, you know, work on something. We can all just hang out together. It'll be fun. Laid back, but a lot of fun. This is what I'm most worried about too. We might end up with a clear truck. Might just be an invisible truck.
All right, guys, let us know what you think of this new project in the comments below. Again, go subscribe to TheRcSaylors so you don't miss our live stream of this, and we'll see you tomorrow with some more RC bashing content.
Oh, absolutely. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.